Is your Viber app speaking a different language than you? Or do you just want to switch to your native tongue? Learn how to easily change the display language on Viber and navigate the app with confidence. Viber allows you to change the language of the application interface to your preferred language. This means all the menus, buttons, and text within the app itself will be displayed in your chosen language. The process is straightforward whether you're using Viber on your phone or desktop. So, from the Viber app, tap on the button labeled More by the bottom right. There, go to Settings. Under Settings, go to General. The first option here should be one labeled Language. Tap on it. Now, you'll be able to scroll through and choose a language available from the provided list. After choosing a language, tap on the tick sign by the top right to proceed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.